You can eat curd yogurt with non-veg chicken, mutton, fish, etc. Reasons. 8. Digestion. Curd is a probiotic, meaning it contains good bacteria that help in digestion. Since non-veg protein is heavy, curd makes it a little easier to digest. Though, cooling effect. Non-veg food can sometimes increase body heat. Curd has a cooling effect, which balances it out. Teen. Nutrition. Non-veg provides protein and iron. Curd provides calcium, protein and vitamin B. Together, they give the body more balanced nutrition. Precautions. According to Ayurveda, eating curd with fish may cause skin problems, allergies, rashes. Scientific evidence is not very strong, but people prone to allergies should avoid it. Eating curd at night or in very cold conditions can increase the risk of cold and cough, so it's better to have it during the day or evening. Conclusion. Eating curd with non-veg is safe and healthy overall. Only those with allergies or frequent cold issues should. 8. Why is curd joe non-veg acceptable? Curd is sour and probiotic. It helps break down and digest protein. Its cooling effect balances non-veg food, which is heavy and heat-inducing. Many dishes like chicken curry, mutton kebabs, biryani are prepared with curd, and it is safe and healthy. Though, why is milk joe non-veg discouraged? Milk has a sattvic and sweet nature, while non-veg has a tamasic and heat-inducing nature. Their properties are opposite. One is cool sweet, the other is heavy hot. Ayurveda considers this combination a viruddha incompatible food, meaning it may cause imbalance in the body, allergies, rashes, or digestive problems. Milk requires different enzymes for digestion, and non-veg requires different ones. When taken together, digestion can slow down. Teen. What does science say? Scientific research does not show strong evidence that milk joe non-veg is always harmful. But people with lactose intolerance or skin problems may face issues with this combination. That's why traditionally it is advised to avoid it. Check mark. Conclusion. Curd joe non-veg equals okay and beneficial. Milk joe non-veg equals better to avoid, because their nature and digestion process are opposite. The common question. Curd is made from milk, then why can we eat curd with non-veg but not milk? The answer lies in the nature and digestion process of milk and curd. 8. Milk. Milk is raw, unfermented. It contains lactose, milk sugar, and casein milk protein, which digests slowly and needs specific enzymes. Milk has a sweet and cooling nature. When consumed with heavy and heat-inducing food like non-veg, it can cause digestive conflict, gas, acidity, allergies, or skin problems. Though, curd is fermented. Most of the lactose is already broken down by bacteria, making it easier to digest. Curd contains probiotic bacteria that help break down protein and balance the stomach. Curd has a mildly sour and cooling nature, which balances non-veg heavy and hot. Teen. So why the difference? Milk equals plain, sweet, slow digesting mismatch with non-veg. Curd equals fermented, sour, digestion friendly compatible with non-veg. Checkmark. Final result. Curd and non-veg is a safe or common combo like biryani, kebabs, chicken curry. Milk and non-veg is better avoided, since their nature and digestion are opposite.